Hi, you're eight. Your geography work this week is being set on Seneca. You need to set yourself up an account if you haven't already. Okay, so if you go to their main page, senecalearning.com, you can see here, and you click on Students Use for Free, it will bring you to a sign-up sheet that looks like this. Okay, just sign yourself up. I've already signed up, so I am just going to go in here. Right, I've logged in as a student here, and you can see that you should have this Geography Key Stage 3. If you use the code that I've set, it will tell you to join this course. So if you click on here, then you can see I've been fiddling around with it. You can see I've got a bit of a knowledge score and stuff already. The work that I have set you for this week, where is it, is on glaciers. So I thought you might need a bit of cooling off. So it'd be quite interesting to have a little look at a very different landscape to the one that we live in. Okay, so your information is inside here. Okay, it goes through with you what are glaciers, how do they form and how do they move, and how do they shape the landscape, and then it goes through a little bit of how glaciers are created by erosion and deposition, which links really clearly to the work that you did on erosion and deposition for coasts. So it's kind of a natural kind of learning progression for you. If you have a go at those and complete the assignments that are set on there as well, it will give you loads of points and scores, and it will add you to the leaderboard. So we've got a global one, we've also going to have a class one. It lets you choose memories and store them in different places around the world, which is pretty cool. And you will get loads of kind of awards for the stuff that you complete. Okay, so that's it for this week. We're going to be looking at glaciers.